Hello everyone, in my today's video I'm going to show you how you can add the dual apps or you can say the clone apps in your device IQOO NEO 6. So if in this device if you want to download or you want to add the dual app or a clone app, like you already have one app but you want to download same another app, you can do this just by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video tutorial. So before we move on to the video, if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And now just follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about it.